When you think in terms of what HCC Global Energy has to offer, why should you come here?
We train our students to become professional workers.
I did my research before, so I saw how hands-on the labs were, and I really wanted to get training on how it would be in a real-life work.
Instrumentation, control, and engineering technology, that's a niche market. Very high demand. It's a very lucrative field. You can start off in the 70s.
We are living in Houston, the capital of energy. That's why we have lots of demand for our graduate students.
Artificial intelligence, digital transformation, digital twinning. So these are things that we pay attention to in terms of prepping and making sure the students who come in have an opportunity to learn these things.